Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce orders with automated notifications step by step clearly. To update WooCommerce orders with automated notifications, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings section by clicking on the WooCommerce tab in the left sidebar. Select the emails option from the submenu that appears. Here, you will see a list of email notifications that WooCommerce sends for various order statuses. Identify the specific order status you want to set up notifications for, such as completed or processing. Click on the email notification title to open the settings for that notification. Enable the notification by checking the box next to enable this email notification. Customize the email subject line to reflect your. Modify the email heading to create a welcoming introduction for your customers. Update the email content as necessary to include relevant order details or additional information. Ensure that the recipient's email address is set correctly to notify the intended audience. You may also set the email type based on how you want the message to be delivered, such as plain text or HTML. After making the necessary changes, scroll down and click the Save Changes button to apply your settings. To automate further, consider using a plugin like WP Notifications or Automate Woo for advanced automation features. If you choose to install a plugin, go to the WordPress plugin section and click on Add New. Search for your chosen plugin and click the Install. After installation, activate the plugin to begin configuring its specific settings. Follow the plugin's documentation to set up automated notifications based on your preferences. Test the email notifications by placing a test order on your WooCommerce store. Check the recipient's inbox to ensure that notifications are sent as expected. Monitor the performance of your notifications and make adjustments as necessary for improved engagement. Keep your email templates updated to align with any changes in your branding or messaging strategy. Remember, clear and concise communication enhances customer experience throughout the order process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.